Okay, guys, we've got a mobile mechanic on the other side working on the rig. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
All right, this is a KC roadside repair. He's at a gallop. Yeah, I don't see any damage to the axle, so that's awesome. You can see that seal went. So then there goes the grease. This here's Clayton, who thankfully had time to come out this morning. Nobody else returning our calls except one other. So what do you think? The seal went, and then there goes the grease, and then there goes the bearing.
That's kind of what it looks like. Yeah, if I had to guess.
How's the hub look like?
The spindle looks good. The hub, on the other hand, yeah, that's not gonna work. Yeah, spun both your races. I doubt that one will hold another race.
Okay, let's just do it.
Those are supposed to be friction fit in there. Supposed to be tight.
Yeah. See it melted all in here. Wires. That's how hot it got. So we're just gonna do the whole thing here. Been out here to this truck stop quite a bit.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Do big rigs too?
Yeah. That's mostly what I do.
How many years you been doing this?
Oh, 16 now?
Yeah. I've got Clayton checking the other 3 wheels here, because they were all done last year about the same time, so we're just kind of making sure here. He checks for wobble there. Hey, we're headed on the road. We want to be good to go.
It's not bad though.
Oh, okay. All right. How do you tell if it's bad?
If it's liquid.
Oh, okay. Okay.
For lack of a better term, I mean, if it's still sticky like that, then
Okay.
that's what you want to see.
Oh, cool. Hey, good morning, you guys. We escaped Arizona finally, as you. But anyway, we stayed the night at the Walmart in Grants, New Mexico. Yeah, we're headed to this lake over here, about 30 miles outside of Grants, Bluewater Lake State Park. It looks beautiful from the pictures, and we're going to stay 3 or 4 nights there and relax, get some footage, and hike around. But yeah, we just kind of left a little bit later than we wanted to yesterday, and didn't. I was exhausted. I didn't want to set up, so we just came here, stayed hooked up, had a wonderful night's sleep. Very quiet at this Walmart too. Beautiful out there. Good for you?
Good for me.
Okay, we'll see you at the lake. Okay, we are here, you guys. This is Bluewater Lake State Park in New Mexico. It's just like about 25, 30 miles west of Grants, New Mexico. Absolutely beautiful. Windy today. I apologize. I'm just going to show you around the campsite here. We got we got a plug in here. No water though at these sites. And there's like just like 10-15% of the sites in the whole park are electric. We can fill up with water there, and they got a dump station as you come in and leave. Trying to block the wind, but beautiful. The lake is down there, and it's way down. We kind of went and peeked at it. Tomorrow we're going to get up and we are going to explore this park. We saw there's some fantastic, beautiful canyon trails over here, and there's a dam. Go look at that. Yeah, we're going to explore this beautiful New Mexico State Park. Let's come around here, and the lettering on Bear here. We want to. We want to thank Lisa's daughter, Taylor. Thank you, Taylor, and Lisa. Taylor and Lisa installed it, I guess is what you call it. So yeah, that's nice. More people see us, know us, and also it shows our Instagram. You guys look, we're on Facebook and Instagram, and this is the Instagram, our.simple.adventures. If you're on Instagram. Okay, that was kind of a wacky, kind of stressful couple days, 2-3 days. Huh?
Yeah.
My gosh. Yeah. You know, you got to roll with the punches. We got to fix, and you know, thank God for Casey and I kept calling him Clayton, but then I looked at his website, and I think his name is Kevin. So sorry, Kevin. Anyway,
Could have been so much worse.
yeah,
But
absolutely.
you know, and luckily there was a stop. I mean, there was an off ramp just a mile ahead. I mean, we could have been in the middle of nothing there.
Well, first of all, thank God for that pickup that honked, and then there was a lady in a car just right after him. She came rolling up and like slowed down right next to me, right next to us, and pointed at toward the back of the trailer. So I'm like, okay, now there must be something wrong. So then hit the brake and started getting over into the shoulder. We got stopped on the shoulder there, and there was so much smoke coming off that wheel and blowing underneath because the wind was blowing underneath the trailer. Just there was a lot of smoke.
Yeah, I thought a fire was going to break out. I mean, I'm ready to go get the fire extinguisher.
Yeah. You reminded me that we got a fire extinguisher. I know, but you reminded me. That was good. Anyway, so yeah, thankful for those people.
We were able to get to a place where we could park and be safe and not be hassled.
Yeah. If that would have happened a mile on the other side of the Navajo Travel Center, then we probably would have had 10-15 miles to the next one, or until we could turn around or whatever. So things worked out. Thank you, Lord. So yeah, we stayed at Walmart, which was a very quiet Walmart.
Yeah.
Now we're here.
Except for the wind, enjoying it so far. It's just very pretty. Yeah, just prettier than I thought.
Yeah, just like this wind would just tone down. I think it's supposed to tomorrow, so we can do some exploring with it.
Yeah, go check things out.
Anyway, yeah, this is a little shorter one. Love you guys. Thanks for coming with us and watching and joining us. We love to hear your comments. So do that. And God bless. We love each and every one of you, and we will
See you on our next adventure. Come join us.
we'll see you in a few days. Bye.
Bye.
I don't have my reading glasses. Can you charge that battery?
It is half.